Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to turn a page into a template on the Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Notion desktop client or just connect with your Notion account to your Notion web portal. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. Here I have created a new page as an example of a template, so I'm just going to call it a template example, for example, example, and have anything. This is how to turn a page to template, for example, to temp. And now we want to share our page so we can turn it to a template. So this is my page, and here I will find the share button. I'm just going to click on it and make sure that you enable share to web. Here you have the link to this template, and as you can see, allow duplicate as template. So here I have this, and now I'm just going to search for duplicates. I will duplicate my page, and now we need to add a link to our template. So to do this operation, we need to use a template button. All you need is to go to any page, search for template button. So here it is. We click on our template button, and now we configure in our template. Now you are going to name it however you want. You will just name it as this template, for example. They are naming their templates to read and list, habit tracker, etc. So basically, I will just let's configure again our template button, and here I'm just going to click on the setting icon. Example template. And here you will need to paste the link of the page, and here you will need to click on link to page and close. So now whenever you are clicking on the button, it will create a new link to our template. And basically this is we need the template example. We did a mistake. We need to share, we need to have the link of our template. So share, copy web link, go to our button, and here let's delete this one, delete, configure this one. We need to do the good button or the good link. So let's just delete this one and add this new link to page, the ones, and this is the template example. So I'm going to click on close. So whenever I'm clicking on my template button, I will be linked it to this is how to turn page to template. And now we have created a template page, or we turned the page to a template in Notion. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.